Did you eat dirt as a kid? Well, maybe you should have. Or you should have at least played in it. Washing your hands may be the best way to keep from getting sick, but in some ways, dirt does a body good. We've all been taught that dirt is bad for us. In my grandmother's house, cleanliness was next to godliness, and everything was scrubbed clean and disinfected. But now, with new research on the superpowers of the microbiome, it may be time to rethink our relationship with filth. You may think dirt and soil are interchangeable. They are both a grainy collection of minerals, oils, water, and organic matter. But soil stays in your backyard, while dirt is what follows you back into your house. Both have microbes. Germ theory tells us that these microbes can infect our bodies and make us sick. But we're starting to understand that in our haste to eliminate and defend against disease, we may have unintentionally protected ourselves against the collaborative relationships we need most. Yes, overexposure to some microorganisms will make us sick. But of the thousands of species and up to 6 pounds, yes, pounds of bacteria that are living in and on our bodies right now, some are critical for our health and happiness. The bacteria that live in our bodies, sometimes called our microbiome, help us digest food, respond to pathogens, and may even influence our moods. Getting dirty once in a while can help repopulate friendly bacteria that have been killed off or washed away by our hygiene practices. Commonly, we're taught to clean ourselves thoroughly to prevent illness, but we could be killing off too much good bacteria. Studies show that we need exposure to both friendly and unfriendly bacteria to maintain health and a strong immune system. Some exposure to disease-causing pathogens early in life helps to build our body's defenses, keeping us healthy as adults. When our body fights a disease, it's activating immune cells in response to a remembered disease agent. The hygiene hypothesis suggests that the right amount of exposure to germs and dirt builds our body's library of known diseases and teaches our immune system to remember which microbes, proteins, and viruses are dangerous. Without this training, our immune system may become hyperactive, looking for diseases to fight, and it might find innocuous aspects of our biology instead. When the body attacks itself, it can cause autoimmune disorders such as asthma and inflammatory bowel disorder. An example of this was seen in a study of germ-free mice that had been raised in a sterile environment. The mice were compared to normal mice living in a microbe-rich environment. The germ-free mice were found to have several immune disorders such as inflammation of the lung and colon, which resemble human asthma and colitis. These conditions were caused by a hyperactivity of a type of immune cell that had been previously linked to these diseases in both mice and humans. Most importantly, the researchers discovered that exposing the germ-free mice to microbes when they were babies led to development of a regular immune response and proper defense against disease. So, playing in the dirt as a kid is good for you. And adults, it's not too late. Put that hand sanitizer down, go hiking, pet that dog, explore different environments, and all of that good bacteria get messy. Hey y'all, need more science in your day? Come find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram @Seeker, and you can find me at PollyCrystalHD. Thanks for watching.